Hello, my name is Max Lee. I'm with the NuCanoe local team here out in California. Today we're out on the California Delta, and as some people may not know, the California Delta has a lot of really big barge boats and really big wake boats that cruise in and out of these channels. So my Unlimited is really stable for that, because those wake boats and those barge boats, they produce really big waves, and it gives me a really nice and stable platform for me to fish throughout the day. We're gonna get out here again today and see what happens. We did a little bit of fishing yesterday, and there's a lot of small fish currently, so we'll see what happens today.